the statement we issued yesterday was not was a response to a newspaper report from leadership that talk about what happened. Left to the governor, we have prayed over it. God has taken charge, and the relevant agencies are doing what they call internal investigations. So it was not our intention to actually speak about it. We want to allow the relevant agencies to work on it, come up with their report to see what happened, whether it's sabotage or it's not. But when we now saw the report in leadership newspaper, which was like a business report, it was like a PR report for the owner of the hangar. That one is trying to protect his business, and it now come to the ridiculous level of mentioning that bird nest is likely to be responsible for that little explosion. And when you say bird nest is responsible for an explosion, the question is, how can a bird nest that is made up of a flower, plant straw, how can that cause an explosion? The reality is that based on the picture we saw in the leadership newspaper, I've not seen any other picture, but the one I saw in the leadership newspaper, you have coil, the wire coil inside the engine. That means somebody must have put those wire coil inside the engine to deliberately shut down the engine mid-air if the flight actually take off. So that could not be bird nest. And for the man to come up and say bird nest, that's a very negative side of propaganda. Maybe he has no PR people who will have helped him to put up. And in fact, he should not have even talk about the matter because relevant agencies are looking at it. But I think I read that the Minister for Aviation last night said the aviation agencies will look into the matter. They are conducting investigation, and the report will be made public. And incidentally, too, because the plane is also not local, the international harm of it, of investigation, is also ongoing. So we need to clarify that we didn't just issue that statement. It was issued to correct misrepresentation of what happened by the owner of the hangar.